Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on notifications on the Nike Store application. So how do I turn on notifications on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap Settings. A menu like this will appear. Next, scroll down. Select Notifications. A menu like this will appear. Next, tap Turn on Notifications. Next, tap Allow Notifications. So that's it. This tutorial on how to turn on notifications on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.